Okay, so today we are changing my office slash kind of closet, I guess, into a full closet. So we're taking a desk out, we're cleaning up. You could tell I just haven't been really using it. It's just been like a throw, like a catch-all where I just throw everything into this room and just deal with it later until it looks like this. So we gotta clean up. This is a mess. It's just it's kind of embarrassing, but it happens when you really don't use the room like you should. Hence the reason why I'm just completely taking it apart, and everything's gonna go into another room for my soon-to-be office when I have to fix that up. But this is gonna be my closet. So right now we're cleaning. That's the main goal. Clean it up and rearrange a bit. Now with everything out of my room, it's time to make the bookcases. This is how I'm making my closet. I am taking like 10 bookcases and putting them together, and these are from Walmart. So I didn't know they had like the divider in the middle. So you'll see where I just don't use the divider in the middle and just like kind of try to like use wood to keep them together. But this one, I'm gonna build it completely right. So some of them are built how it's meant to build, but some of them had to modify a bit to kind of use it for the long-standing kind of closet. But you'll see what I mean. But yeah, I feel like I can build these with my eyes closed now because I built like 10 of them. So I'm a pro. If you need me to build a bookcase, I got you. I'm a pro now. So right here, this is the one I meant where I had to kind of modify it so it can be just a like full standing closet kind of bookshelf. So right now I am cutting the rods. These are wooden rods. I thought it would just be easier to cut, modify better than like a metal one. So I got the wooden ones, and I am just cutting it to the size of the actual closet that I'm using it for. So I just drilled a hole on the side and kind of measured it with the hanger to see how far it needs to come out. And I just drilled a hole on the side of the rod so it doesn't like, you should drill a hole on the side so it doesn't split the wood pretty much. Stuck it in there, drilled the screw in from the outside into the rod, and that's pretty much how I'm gonna do all of them. Okay, so this is me trying to explain how I'm going to makeshift a vanity pretty much with my mirror I just bought. And you might see me just rearrange a bit. I'm very indecisive. Like, okay, should I put it here? Should I put it there? So I need to like physically see it before I actually want to like move forward with it. So I wanted it over there at first, but it kind of took up space, and I'm like, it'd probably be better if I put it on that wall. So that's what I decided to do, is just move it from that wall to that wall. So yeah, at first how I had it kind of worked out, but it made more sense the way I'm doing it now, just for the feng shui. I can add more bookshelves on that wall, which you'll see me do. No. Okay, no. How I finally had my room. I didn't add bookshelves. I wanted to add a couch right there. That was my main concern. I wanted to add a couch right there. And I couldn't add it on the other wall because the door was in the way. And the only way for me to actually add the couch into the room was to add it on that wall where you won't run into it when you open the door. That's the main reason why I moved it. But yeah, right now, I'm just making a little makeshift vanity. I didn't really want to buy a whole vanity. It's not necessary. If you just have a piece of wood or like a piece of shelf, you can just have two supporting walls, which is my tall bookshelf and my little short bookshelf. That supports the wood, put the mirror on top, and there's your vanity. That's pretty much what I was doing. So this is like day 5 or 6. It took me a long time. I have 2 kids, full-time job. It took me a long time to do this renovation to the closet. But I'm going with white. I want to brighten it up and just have everything kind of cohesive together. And white would do that for me. And if I want to add color, I'll just add it through accessories. So my kind of theme I was going for was like more natural. So like white and like the wood rods. But then I'm like, maybe some gold, okay? That's where the vanity like mirror comes in, that nice gold touch. But yeah, this I should have primed it, which I didn't, which messed me up because I had to go over it like 6 times because every time I painted it, it's like a raw wood plank. Like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like raw. I think raw wood, so it kind of soaked in every time I painted it. So it's just, you'll see it just like bleed through and just suck up all the white. I had to repaint it. So I had to repaint it like 4 times. I'm like, I should have just bought primer and did a primer. It helps, trust me. But finally, after my 4th or 5th coat, it's done. I start to put my mirror and a vanity together and just put in my clothes up, my shoes up, and I'm almost done. And she is done. Everything's put together how I want it. Vanity, shoes are up, purses are up, clothes are up, and I am done. Now I have to move on to my office area, which is coming up next. Subscribe if you want to see that. Like this video if it helped you in any which way, and thank you for watching.